Hey, it's Will of willsgarden.com, and we ran into a little bit of a situation this weekend. We needed to order another beehive, well actually two, because we're worried about swarming. So we decided to go ahead and order through Amazon because we were in a rush, and that meant getting a bee nose made in China beehive, which was a little scary. We didn't know if all the measurements would work out with all our Mann Lake equipment. The kit is very complete, even includes screws and nails. The foundations are nicely wax coated, so they should work perfectly, I'm imagining. They're the same exact size as all our Mann Lake equipment, so that's going to work really nice. We got the coated one, which meant they basically dipped all the exterior parts in wax, real thick layer. Really liking the quality of this kit. It included the queen excluder. It's got the vented bottom board. Nice slide action. Really think the quality of this is shockingly decent at a very low price, and we got it in 2 days from Prime. Check out the description for the link. Thanks.